In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can split a worksheet into multiple panes in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. Go ahead and go in the search bar and simply type Excel. Click on Microsoft Excel under the best match. So once you're on your Excel sheet, how can you split this into multiple panes? It's just very easy. Simply look at the ribbon at the top and you can find the View tab. Click on the View tab. Then here we need to look for the option Split. Okay, this one. Divide the window into different panes that each scrolls separately. Click on that. And that's it. So you have here these different panes in Microsoft Excel. Okay, that's it. That's how you can easily split into multiple panes your Excel sheet. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.